I need to do some fixes before we can continue with that. So one of the fixes is our, right, if I pause the game, I don't have the score there. So let me see what's happening here. Score, yeah. Item mode score, game post. That's fine. Maybe this is not so fine. I'm gonna just change this to 200 pixels and minus 200 to see what happens there. Score. I'm gonna save that. And I want you to know that in the update, I have the render of the status, right? So but in the update, I don't need that because I can put them there below, but I don't need that because I'm going to only play the game while I am in this playing state, right? If I change the state to game over to another, this won't be executed because it will be only executed when we are in the playing state. So let me check the again here. Now with our score, let's see if that is working now. Yep, 10 points. And there, still 10 points, 40 points. Yeah, 50. No, that's working. That's fine. Okay, so if I pause the game, then nothing is updated, but still we can see what is rendered in the scene, right? So that's what I wanted. So now I need to create the trust engine for the chip. I'm gonna add a new class for that. And that will be the a new interface. I'm gonna call it Propulsor. There will be a new file, Propulsor, because I like that game. I like that name. Sorry. Export. Is that a? No, that's a class, not an interface. Sorry. I'm gonna set class. New file. Propulsor.js, export class. Propulsor, yep. And for this class, I need to set up the particle system again. So I'm gonna create again the particle system. It's particle system, right? But that should be from babylon.js core if I am right. That from here I'm gonna the import. Okay, this import, I need to create a constructor now, and I need to set the spaceship will be the emitter, and I need to pass this scene again. So this ship from the interfaces, yes. So I'm gonna create here again the particle system. So const particle system equals new particle system, and I need to add the name for that. Propulsor engine. I'm going to set a capacity number of 300 scene, and I'm going to set the same texture as the explosion. So for particle system equals particle texture. Yep, it's a new texture. I need to pass the path of the texture that I have here. It will be the same. I'm gonna copy and paste that, and I'm gonna set particle system. I'm gonna set the emitter, yeah, the emitter to the spaceship. I'm gonna set the particle system. This is the position. The emitter. It's a mesh. That's fine. Uses it the abstract mesh vector tree. So I need a vector tree here. Okay, I'm gonna fix that in a moment. Main emit box. It will be new vector tree, and that will be 0 because I want that to be at the rear of the ship. Right, the same 0, 0.5, and -1. Machine this for the max emit box. That will be a new vector tree. That will be also 0, 0.3, and -1. Remember that those are positions for the minimal emitter box and the maximum, right? This is not any position for the ship or any other stuff. It's just for the settings of the particles. So I need to set the particle system color 1, and I need to set the color 2 and the end color 2, color dead. Yep, and that will be my color 1. It's a new color 4. That will be 0.5. No, it's a white color, right? So 1, 1, 1, 1. I want it to be a white color here, and for the color 2, it will be a it'll be the 0.7, 0.7, 0.8, 1 and 1. That's fine. I need to add another. And for the dead color, it will be 0.2, 0.5, 0.2, 0.5, 1 and 1. So this is saying that it needs an abstract mesh, and it needs, alright, because this is a ship and my ship is different, so this should be a mesh, right? And some course. So my ship in the interface ship is without capital letter. Oh god. Yeah, that's much better. Also mesh, yep, that works. I need to set also the minimum size and the maximum size of the particle system. Main size, yep. Max size, that will be 0.4, and for the minimum will be 0.2. So I need to set the min emit power, not the minimum lifetime. Minimum lifetime and max lifetime, and I need to set to I think that's the right, the 0.4. So the minimum here is 0.1 and the maximum is 0.05, like this for the particle size. Okay, so I have the lifetime. I need to add the main emit power. min emit power, particle system, max emit power, update speed, I need to use a 3 for this. I'm gonna set a 5 for the max emit power and 0.01 for the update speed, because this is a thrust, so it doesn't need a bunch of speed. I just need like a constant flame in the thrust engine of the ship. I think that's fine. I need to set the direction of the particles. Particle system direction 1 and particle system direction 2. So for direction 1 will be new vector 3. It will be at 0.0 minus 1, and the other will be new vector 3. It will be 0.0 and minus 1 as well. So I want the same direction for both. The duration is the direction it will take the particle. It can be any direction to any position. So, but I want the thrust to be from the right to the left, starting from the rear of my sprite. So you're gonna see that in a moment. And particle system minimum angular speed, particle system maximum angular speed. Maximum is 1 and minimum is -1. And the gravity, persistent gravity equals new vector 3. I won't have gravity for that, right? So my particles should not have any gravity for the thrust engine. And particle system is local equals true, and particle system dot star. So this should start when the sprite is created or when this instance is created, because I'm going to attach this to the chip always. If this chip doesn't exist, then this won't exist anymore. So I'm gonna set the propulsor to the chip here. Core propulsor, that's fine. I need to add that into the set chip. Set chip, this chip. Yeah, when I create a chip, I need to set the propulsor here. And before I create the other, I can just set chip collider, the emissive color for the capsule. Okay, counts propulsor, it will be new propulsor. That's fine, and I need to pass the ship collider. Yep, because that's a mesh, and this scene, and I need to import this. When it's imported, I need to set this to the propulsor equals set the propulsor, and I think that's it. Now save the code and the IDE, and we can check now our level to see what's happening there. If I refresh, I can see that I have a little propulsor now, the thrust engine, just a little bit, right at the rear of the ship. It's not so fancy, but it's not like it's not empty either. So I just wanted to show you a little implementation of the particle systems with the explosion and with the thrust. It will be nice if we can implement just a simple animation in pixel art also, but I wanted to make it with the particle so you can see that it's possible. I'm gonna be adding more, I'll be adding sounds in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you have any suggestion or comment, just put it below. Thank you.